5 ways daily blogging boosts client referrals for dog care businesses. Struggling to attract clients? Daily blogging can help. It boosts visibility, engagement, and referrals, especially when combined with eco-friendly practices. How to make it work? 1. Educate clients on sustainable dog care diet. 2. Showcase your green commitment, e.g., plant a tree for every new client. 3. Optimize for search engine optimization to attract local pet owners. 4. Repurpose content for social media and emails. 5. Encourage testimonials and client-generated content. Blogging builds trust and supports sustainability. Start today and comment #IamWithTrees to join the movement.